Hey, everybody! Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss with you how you can see what Instagram videos your friends have liked. Make sure you friends subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes under the video and please write your comments. So let us get down to our interesting topic. And I will say that this is basically a new feature in Instagram that you can see what videos your friends have liked. First, I recommend that you update your Instagram app. To do this, open the App Store or Google Play if you have Android. Next, go to the search part. Next, type the word Instagram in the search box. Click on that app and click Update. If you don't have the update option, I recommend going the other way. You will need to temporarily uninstall the Instagram app from your device and reinstall it. Next, you will need to open the Instagram app itself. After that, you can go to the Reels section, and here as you flip through the different Reels, you will be able to see down on the left-hand side which friends have liked it. And also friends, you can find more than just this option here, meaning you may have it look completely different. For example, you can have this list of friends at the top on the right side. You can click on it and hold it down. This will open up a feed of all the videos that are viewed and liked by your friends. That is, depending on how much Instagram has been updated in your region. So here you can see what is available to you. But actually very interesting and cool, which allows you to see what your friends like on Instagram. I really hope you found this video tutorial useful and helpful. Please don't forget, friends, to subscribe to the channel, write comments and be sure to put your likes. See you friends!